Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace headlights on a Jeep Commander. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulbs. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely to prevent any burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort later on. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening the hood and locating the retaining clips that secure the grille. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to carefully pop these clips out. Once all clips are removed, gently pull the grille away from the vehicle. This step reveals the bolts holding the headlight assembly in place, making them accessible for removal. Take your time to avoid damaging the grille. With the grille removed, you can now access the headlight assembly bolts. Use a socket wrench to unscrew the 2 or 3 bolts securing each assembly. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it, then insert the new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and resecure the bolts you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug and properly aligned. Then, reattach the grille, ensuring all retaining clips snap firmly back into place. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beam headlights to confirm they are working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.